Let's take a look at drawing shadows in industrial sketches. It will be different to the way we did it before. Let's construct a cube in this kind of turn. Horizontal edges to one side, a face opening, then horizontal edges to the other side and a face opening. Be sure to draw the inside part of the cube. Check that all the lines moving away from you converge. Now let's imagine that the light source is very far away as the sun. If you look at the first variant of construction again, here the light source is close to the subject, and see, the light ray seems to diverge. And in this case, when the light source is very far away, like the sun, the falling rays will be parallel to each other. That is, through each top we lower a line, and all these lines will be parallel. Remember that we've got bottom lines from when we connected the bottom of the light to the bottom of each of the pillars. In this case, we can set them by ourselves, at the exact angle that compositionally will be more suitable for us. This way of shading is very convenient. That is, you can make the cast shadow longer or shorter, depending on your idea. And these bottom lines will also be parallel to each other. Draw lines through each bottom point of our vertical edges. Now we do the same. Find the intersection points of the ray lines and bottom lines. If you have doubts about how correctly you've found the point, check it again. The shadow from the right pillar will also fall inside the cube, so we won't see it. We connect all these points, and the visible part of the shadow will be like this. Let's shade it. Outline the cube and shadow contour a little more. And then shade the plane of the cube, which is in the shadow. Let's make another sketch for practice. Here is the closest vertical edge of the cube. Set the angle of the horizontal edge to the left and to the right. Then the upper edges, and a face opening, vertical edge on the left and on the right. The upper part and, of course, the inner part. The one that we don't see we also show. Here, for example, I want to make a shadow falling to the right. I lower parallel lines from all the tops of our vertical edges. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then the bottom lines. This angle I also set by myself. From all the bottom points of the vertical edges, I draw parallel bottom lines. Find the intersection points of the light ray and the bottom line from each edge. Point 1, point 2, point 3. The fourth one will fall inside the cube. We won't see it. Now we connect all the points. Fill the visible part of the cast shadow. As there are a lot of lines, let's outline the cube and the shadow contour a little more. Then shade the plane in the shadow. These are the basic principles of shading.